Namaskar, Salam, Sat Sri Akal and a very good morning. Welcome you to Sporting Angels Educational Spectrum, and we are in with the first contest of history for class 9th. We present Quest for Win. This being the first contest, I straightway would like to go for the introduction of the team and the Rising Angels, Manya and Anushka, although they are reluctant a bit to introduce themselves, but do not undermine them. When it comes to answering, they are the best team. Alliance Angels, Tanu and Janvi, ever smiling they are. Gyani, full of Gyan. Shubh and Janit. And today they will be reaching the zenith of it. So, teams are familiar with the rules. Straightway, we are starting the buzzer round. Teams, you are required to check your buzzers. Please check it. Okay. Satisfied? So here we go. Question number 1. Hands on buzzer. No unnecessary hurry. And here we go. The question is, what is? This is wrong practice. Let me complete the question first. I give you one more chance. This time if you press it before I speak, then you won't get any chance. Right? Ready? Hands on buzzer. What was the thing? It is the Gyanis.
The tax levied by the church comprising 1/10 of the agricultural produce.
The tax levied by the church and it was comprising 1/10 of the agricultural produce is absolutely correct. You start with 10 full marks. Question number 2. Ready teams? Hands on buzzer. No unnecessary hurry. Ready? Who was Napoleon? Rising Angels.
Napoleon was the commissioner-in-chief in the French forces. The political instability of the Directory paved the way for his rise as dictator. In 1804, he crowned himself as the emperor.
He crowned himself as the Emperor of France in 1804. Absolutely correct. 10 marks for you. And the last question coming up. Ready teams? Hands on buzzer. And this is your question number 3. Ready teams? Hands on buzzer. And your question is, name the most popular political club started by French women. Again it is, wait. Gyani Angels, it is you who press the buzzer first, so I give you a chance to answer the question.
The answer is Society of Revolutionary Women and Republican Women.
Society of Revolutionary Republican Women is correct, and you get 10 marks for your correct answer. So with this we have completed the buzzer round, and after the buzzer round the scores are, well, the regulation round. I'll be starting with you, Rising Angels, and your question is, which period of history of France is known as the Reign of Terror? A. 1793 to 1798. B. 1793 to 1799. C. 1793 to 1794. D. 1794 to 1798.
Option C 1790.
Option C 1793 to 1794 is absolutely correct. You get 10 marks for your correct answer. Question for you. Napoleon was finally defeated at dash in 1815. A. Waterloo. B. Paris. C. Tokyo. D. Israel. Waterloo is absolutely correct. 10 marks for your team. Question for you. Who wrote two treaties of government?
John Locke.
You don't want options? John Locke, without any hesitation, absolutely correct. And you get 10 full marks for your correct answer. Now, the second round, I'll be starting with you. And your question is, who wrote The Spirit of Laws?
Montesquieu.
It was Montesquieu. Absolutely correct. Question for you. Who wrote The Social Contract?
Jean-Jacques Rousseau.
You don't want? Okay. Rousseau is absolutely correct. And you also get 10 marks for your team. Now, question for you. The French Revolution occurred.
14th July 1789.
You do not want options. 14th July 1789 is absolutely correct. With this, we have completed 2 rounds of the regulation round, and after 2 rounds, the scores are what did the red cap worn by sans-culottes in France symbolize?
Liberty.
A. Liberty. Okay, you don't want options. Liberty is absolutely correct. You get 10 marks for your correct answer. Question for you. The ideas of dash and dash were the most important legacy of the French Revolution.
Democratic rights and liberty.
Democratic rights and liberty is absolutely correct. You get 10 marks for your correct answer. And question for you, Yani. In the context of France, the tennis court oath took place on
20 June 1789.
20th June 1789 without any hesitation is absolutely correct. As straight as an arrow is the answer, and you get 10 full marks for your correct answer. The last of the regulation round. I'll be starting with you. Question is, the following enjoyed certain privileges by birth in France during the late 18th century. A. Big businessmen and merchants. B. Peasants and artisans. C. Clergy and nobles. D. Court officials and languages.
Option C.
Is C.
Clergy and nobles.
Clergy and nobles is absolutely correct. 10 marks for your correct answer. Question for you. When did women get right to vote in France? 1756, 1946, 1956, 1966.
1946.
1946 is correct. 10 marks for your correct answer. And the last question of the regulation round. And the question is, who wrote an influential pamphlet called What is the Third Estate? Abbassius is absolutely correct. You get 10 marks for your correct answer. With this, we have completed the regulation round and the scores are, well, we are in for the last, but of course not the least, in fact, the most important round of them all, and that is the rapid fire round. 7 questions, 70 seconds, 21 to score, and 21 is a huge tally. Come on teams, gear up. Ready? I'll be starting with Rising Angels. Timekeeper ma'am, ready? Okay. Your time starts now. Some 27,000 men and women gathered in front of the town hall and decided to form a people's militia. Do you agree or disagree? Right? The term old regime is usually used to describe the society and institutions of France after 1789. Is it true or false?
False.
Right. In the spirit of laws, Montesquieu proposed a deletion of power within the government, distribution of power within the government between the legislative, the executive and judiciary. Am I serious or joking?
Serious.
Right. On May 5, 1789, Louis XVI called together an assembly of the States General to pass proposals for new taxes. Straight or googly?
Straight.
Right. Who wrote the book The Social Contract?
Jean-Jacques Rousseau.
Right. I asked 5. All are correct. 5 threes are 15 added to your tally. It was really good. Shabas, Rising Angels. It is your turn, Alliance. Get aligned and answer all the 7. So 7 questions, 70 seconds to answer, and 21 marks to be grabbed for a loot. And you can loot all 23. Right? Timekeeper ma'am, ready? So am I. So are the contenders. And your time starts now. The Constitution of 1791 vested the power to make laws in the National Assembly, which was indirectly elected. Do you agree or disagree?
Agree.
Right. The National Assembly completed the draft of the Constitution in 1791. True or false?
True.
Right. Who wrote the Spirit of Laws?
Montesquieu.
Right. Only men above 25 years of age who paid taxes equal to at least 3 days of labor wages were given the status of active citizens. Serious or joking?
Serious.
Right. The period from 1793 to 1794 is referred to as the Reign of Terror. Straight or googly?
Straight.
Right. Robespierre pursued his policies so relentlessly that even his supporters began to demand moderation. Finally, he was convicted by a court in July 1794. Right or wrong?
Wrong.
Wrong. is wrong. Wrong is wrong. So I asked 6. You could answer all, but 5 were correct. And 5 3s are 15 added to your tally. It's really good. It's really good. The last of the teams. Hey, bache. Ready, ma'am? Your time starts now. Under Louis XVI, France helped the 13 American colonies to gain independence from common enemy Persia. Do you agree or disagree?
Disagree.
Right. The population of France rose from 13 million in 1715 to 18 million in 1789. True or false?
False.
Right. Napoleon became Emperor of France in 1804. Am I serious or joking?
Serious.
Right. Who composed the song Marseillaise?
Robert Delle.
Is correct. The Jacobins came to be known as the sans-culottes, literally meaning those without knee breeches. Straight or googly?
Straight.
Right. Sans-culottes men wore in addition the red cap symbolized liberty. Right or wrong?
Right.
The newly elected assembly was called the convention. On 21st September 1792, it abolished the monarchy and declared France a republic. Correct or incorrect?
Correct.
Right. Absolutely right. So I asked you 7 and you answered all 7. It is a. With this, we have concluded today's contest. But as I want to put forward that we still have a long way to go. We are left with 2 more rounds. In fact, we are halfway the competition. So all those who are lagging slightly behind should not lose their heart. They are okay if they can come forward in the next 2. The scores while going, let's have an eye on the score and then bidding them goodbye. We shall be meeting again tomorrow.